Hi guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here today. Just going to bring you today's lovely install, which is on an Audi A4. This also fits the A5 also, and this is for the 3G high MMI. Also the one there for 2G if you wish. But this is our 10.25 inch screen. As you can see, this is the one with the latest updated interface. We do have a video on our YouTube channel showing you the older style, which has the circular icons here, but this one's being all designed up to what you would expect on the new Audis today. So this is the interface that you find on there. So obviously we've installed a reverse camera in today, and also this works with the parking sensors. I'll just give you a little short demonstration on how this looks and acts. As you can see, it's nice and swift with an 8-core processor, 464 gig of RAM. You have the video application here, which has a nice little demo on there for you. As you can see, nice and clear. Okay, so just go back to this one here, show you the music application. This application tends to have the same demo tunes on there, so they do really frustrate me because of the same tunes all the time on that one. Navigation here, got the Google Maps, which is set up to the icon here. You can download many other app maps of choice, which then you can then assign to that button. So obviously if you want Waze, Copilot, whatever, so forth, you can do that. This is the original Bluetooth. Is when you pay your phone, it's got full phone box support and music streaming. Phone link is mirror link, but it's getting phased out. Works with the original MMI, as you can see on there. Just touch back, goes back into this one here. Little application here for the dashboard, for the revs and stuff. Apps, DVR camera, which we haven't put on today. There's a lot of your back-end settings. We've put Netflix on there for the customer today, but obviously this is one you can download many other applications from the Play Store, which is on here. This Z-Link one there is your CarPlay and your Android Auto. If you want to have a little play around with this one, these apps are just shortcuts to the thing, to these homepage ones here. So I'll just bring it to an end today, guys. Obviously, if you've got any questions, give us a shout. We'll put all our details into the description below, and the link to the product. And as I say, get in touch with us if you need any info. Cheers, thanks, see you soon.